massive, unstoppable, engineering marvels that breathe life into logging landscapes, where raw power meets precision. This channel, your front row ticket to the most brutal, beautiful machinery on Earth. Even for an experienced logger, bucking isn't a piece of cake. Every log harbors unseen stresses, potential dangers lurking just beneath the surface. A sharp eye for grain, lean, and tension is essential, but at times it all comes down to pure luck.
She's gonna go. She's gonna go.
Wow, that was a close call. Someone really needs to put a stop to this before something truly terrible happens. Revoking his license seems like the only responsible course of action. That loaded Kenworth is really putting the hammer down. But with those switchbacks and that soft shoulder, he's got to be careful. Good thing he's got a ground guide. Those guys are worth their weight in gold on a run like this. The Ponsse Ergo has earned its reputation as a top-tier harvester, and this demonstration shows why. Its durable design, paired with terrain tracks, provides excellent stability and traction for challenging slopes and uneven terrain. This allows it to handle large trees like that beech with precision and power, ensuring maximum productivity in tough logging conditions. It highlights Ponsse's commitment to engineering excellence. Man, this guy's the real deal. He just whispered to that tree and it totally chilled out. It was like some kind of nature whisperer thing, you know? Amazing. It's called a barber chair because you're supposed to sit on the stump. Using the CAT 345BL for tree removal delivers maximum power and efficiency. With a 345 horsepower engine and strong hydraulics, it can quickly handle large trees. Its extended reach and powerful boom provide precise control even in tight spaces. This results in higher productivity and reduced risks, making it a smart choice for any project. Picture this: a loaded logging truck, likely a Kenworth W990 with a Cummins ISX-15 engine, battling the grade on a snow-choked mountain pass. The weight of the timber, possibly exceeding 80,000 pounds, puts immense strain on the drivetrain. Every foot gained is a testament to the truck's power and the driver's skill. Check out this log splitter. It's not just powerful, it's lightning quick. Lifting that heavy oak is one thing, but the speed. That's what really blows me away. It's like bam, and it's done.
It's like the river all over again. Jesus.
Well, a familiar saying, the cameraman never dies.
Oh my God, we've been killed.
This is true mastery in action. This loader operator is a pro, skillfully managing those logs with ease, even in the harsh winter conditions. You can see how they harness the machine's momentum and leverage to handle each log with precision. It's a perfect demonstration of how experience and a deep understanding of your equipment lead to outstanding results. All right, folks, let's explore the impressive Pezzolato PTH 1400/1000M. With a powerful Caterpillar C27 engine producing 1,150 horsepower, it can process up to 300 cubic meters of wood per hour. Its large drum and wide-in feed handle even the largest logs with ease. Plus, easy maintenance makes it a smart choice for the long haul. This Ural modification highlights advanced off-road engineering. The driven axle on the trailer greatly improves traction and mobility in harsh conditions. The articulated connection between the truck and trailer ensures enhanced flexibility and maneuverability on uneven terrain. Clearly, this setup is made to conquer tough environments where conventional vehicles fall short. All right, everyone, pay attention. Removing stumps has never been this simple. Meet the Savannah 1720 stump puller. This thing is an absolute powerhouse. It rips out stumps effortlessly, and when you pair it with the Savannah rotary rake, game changer. You'll be clearing 20 to 40 acres a day like it's a breeze. This is what modern land clearing looks like, folks. All right, that wood chipper is pretty impressive. But honestly, it looks a bit intimidating to me. No safety guards? Seems a bit risky, don't you think? The Pezzolato Vice P60.60 is a robust firewood processor built for handling large diameter logs with ease. Equipped with a strong hydraulic system and a cutting mechanism capable of producing up to 5 splits per cycle, this machine is widely used in commercial forestry and firewood production. Known for its efficiency and high output, it continues to be a popular choice despite its higher initial cost and maintenance demands. Picture the immense power it must take to haul those giant logs up the hill. You can almost hear the engine struggling, feel the tires digging for traction. It's a classic David versus Goliath battle, and we're all cheering for the little guy. Ever wondered how they get all those wood chips onto ships? Well, check this out. It's like a seamless dance of machinery. Trucks pull up to a massive razor tail unloader, and then, whoosh, chips are loaded onto conveyor belts, moving smoothly from one to the next. The telestacker conveyor takes center stage, handling both ships and barges with ease. Amazing, right? Clearing land can be tough, especially when you're faced with massive stumps. However, with the custom stump splitter from Sunrise Excavating, you can tackle those tough obstacles effortlessly. This attachment provides unmatched splitting power, turning those stubborn stumps into mulch quickly. It's a true game changer for land management experts. That tree presents significant hazards. OSHA mandates personal protective equipment, PPE, for such operations. ANSI-approved safety glasses, a hard hat, and chainsaw chaps are essential to mitigate the risk of injury. Check out this machine in action. It's absolutely incredible. The precision and efficiency it offers are mind-blowing. It effortlessly turns rough lumber into flawless posts and stakes. The speed and quality of the results are truly remarkable. It showcases the brilliance of its design and the exceptional craftsmanship that went into creating it. Moments before disaster, the ease of timber transportation has reached unprecedented levels with this remarkable tractor. Its performance is truly exceptional.
Ja, das ist aber der Chef hier. Der macht das.
All right, everyone, let's chat about tree felling safety. Here's the golden rule. Never position yourself within the fall zone of a tree. It's as straightforward as that.
Boah, Lampe kaputt.
Boah, das ging auf einmal schnell, ne?
No way. Did you see that? .3 cubic meters of timber going up that slippery slope. The Ponsse F175 made it look so effortless. Seriously, I'm amazed. That thing has power that just doesn't quit. This Pacific is a total powerhouse. The torque is insane. It's a wonder the ground doesn't just give way beneath it. Now, folks, that's how a pro deals with a seriously sketchy tree. CNC routers revolutionize woodworking with repeatability and intricate details beyond handcrafting. They're exceptional for door making, handling complex designs, perfect joinery, and high-volume output. The magic lies in blending them with traditional skills, where craftsmanship meets technology for unique results. Here we go. The timber ships have docked and the countdown has begun. Watch as these dedicated crews hustle to unload this massive haul of timber. It's a showdown of manpower and machinery. Some ships are in and out within a day, but the heavyweights, they can take up to a week to finish the job. Wow, would you look at this monster? The Scania R770 packing 770 horsepower.
Der Kran YS260Z hat
You can see the pride they put into their work. This isn't just some casual cruise, it's the real deal. But with a rig this awesome, who wouldn't be pumped?
Zum Abschied.
We hope you enjoyed this thrilling journey into the world of extreme logging. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us which machine impressed you the most. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.